How to fix we disabled your account Facebook 180 days. First of all, let's navigate and open any web browser on your phone that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar and find the Facebook Help Center website. Once you get the search results, tap on the first website URL to open it. On this page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and from this menu, open Policies and Reporting. Next, select Reporting a Problem. Here in the Reporting Abusive Content section, tap on the blue colored text that says Give feedback about it. Next, tap on Proactive Feedback, which will take you to a feedback page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Facebook account. Next, select Product or Feature from this list. I will select Login. In the feedback box, write a detailed description of your issue and request a solution for this problem. After that, tap on Send to deliver your request to Facebook. Once submitted, Facebook will review your request and you will receive a response via email or notifications. If approved, you will regain access to your account. And that's it. This is how you can fix the We Disable Your Account Facebook 180 days issue. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.